Hello, welcome back, and in this video I am going to talk about set. Unlike list and tuples, set is just a collection and there is no sequence or order is not maintained, and we'll see what we mean by that. And set is actually very good to find unique elements out of a collection or to find common elements between various collections. So we have lot of methods present in this set class that we can use, and we will see how easy it is to perform all these operations. So let's see how to work with set. So let's say I have one list called L, and it is like a a b and c and let's say x, and then another element d, and let's say in between b and c I have d again. So this is my list, and we have lot of duplicates in this list. So if we convert this into a set, all the duplicate will be removed, and that is what, like, set will have only the unique elements. So let's say I have one variable called s, and if I do something like this, so it is actually typecasting from list to set. And if I check the set, so see, all the duplicates are removed. So now b, a, x, c, d, so these are my elements in the set. But remember, the order is not maintained. So here we have a, b, d, c, x, d, but see here that order is not present. So let's check the type of s. It is a set. And one more thing to notice, that is the set is similar like a dictionary, but we don't have key value pairs. So set denotes in the curly braces, but it is not in key value pairs. Another way we can declare set is like, let's say I have one set 1, and we can do something like 1 2 3, that is my set. So if I check the type of set 1, it is set. Now let's see few of the methods we can use in a set. So one of them is pop. So set1 dot pop, it is going to remove one element. We can use add method to add an element into the collection. So let's check first the set 1. So I have 2 and 3, and let's add 1. So set1 dot add, and if I do 1, and if I check set 1, it is 1 2 3 now. So we can use clear method to clear the entire set. So let's say I want to clear the set s, so I can do is like s dot clear, and this is going to clear my entire set. So if I check set now, it will be empty set. And I can use remove to remove any particular element, and remember set will always have unique elements. So let's say let's check first what we have in set 1. We have 1 2 3, and let's say I want to remove 2. So what I can do is set 1 dot remove and 2. So it is going to remove 2, and if I check the set 1 now, so I will have 1 and 3. Now let's see some other useful methods that we already have used in our high school math in Venn diagrams, like intersection, difference, and union. So let's check these methods. So let's say I have one set called S1, and it is like 1 2 3, and I have another set called S2, and it is 3 4 5 maybe. So in this two set we have 3 common, right? So if we check the intersection of set 1 and 2, what we can do is like set 1 dot intersection of S2, this is going to give me 3. So this is the common element between set 1 and set 2. Now we can check the difference. So difference is going to give what we have in one set that we don't have in other. So what we can do is like s1 dot difference of s2. So if we do that, it is going to give me 1 and 2, right? So because I am checking difference between S1 and S2. So similarly, if we do S2 dot difference of S1, then it is going to give me 4 and 5, because 3 is the matching element and we are doing S2 difference S1. So it is going to give me 4 and 5. And there is another method called symmetric difference that is going to give me the union of these two differences. So let's see, S1 dot symmetric underscore difference S2. This is going to give me the union of these two difference, right? So what is union? Union is, as you have seen, so we have one set and we have another set. So union is the unification of two sets after removing any duplicates. So if I do S1 dot union of S2, this will be 1 2 3 4 5. So 3 was the duplicate, but after doing the union we get 1 2 3 4 5. So that is it for now about set, and as always, thanks for watching the video.